Welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see on your screen now, Catizen is going to be listed on Bybit Spot Trading on the 20th of September this month. So make sure you are gaining this coin. Make sure you are participating in this airdrop. Now in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect your wallet on Catizen. So let's go over to Catizen app. This is Catizen app. I'm going to show you how you can connect your wallet. So when you come to Catizen app, you click on N. When you click on N, you click on the three dots up. You can see, so you click on connect. Already I have connected my wallet, but because of this video, I'm going to cancel it and then reconnect it again. So I click on connect. You see, make sure you are using your Telegram wallet. For those of you that are using Keeper, you are going to have gas fee. If you don't have a gas fee amount, you may not be able to see your token on Keeper. So make sure you are using Telegram wallet, because Telegram wallet is very easy to sell your coin P2P, and it's very easy for you to swap your coins to USSD without any stress. So now you can see what will appear on your screen. You click on connect. It's very easy to connect to Telegram wallet. You can see my wallet is connected on Catizen. You can see it over here, it's connected. So guys, that is all. Make sure you are participating in these games. That is the only way you can get more fish. For those of you that are playing this game, make sure you are participating in this. That's the only way you can get more fish. And also check your achievement level. Some of you are not checking this achievement level. Make sure you check your achievement level. You can see my own is really poor, because I'm not taking this project serious. But from now on, I'm going to take this project serious, because this project is going to cook better than Coin. So you can see, you play the game every day and make sure you are claiming more Catizen token. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another video, you will get a notification.